Good morning. I think today's vlog may be short just because I have so much going on, but after the last vlog I did go to Party City and I got the balloons, so I went ahead, blew them up, put them on a string and obviously hung it up, and I think that it looks perfect. Loxy per usual is just laying around. Again, I still have to get rid of these things and the table really hasn't changed. Although after showing my daughter this, I asked about the green tassels and she said no, keep it simple. So I even thought maybe adding the green tassels to the end there would be cute. Yeah, let me show you. So to kind of like, well, it'd be hard for you to like get a full picture, but I don't even know what I was even talking about. I'm having one of those days, so bear with me. But I'm about to head off to Dollar Tree. I wanted to kind of show you my outfit. I'm wearing my Vineyard Vines hat, which I think you guys would have seen in a haul from the Nordstrom's anniversary sale. I am wearing workout clothes, except I'm wearing Converse, and I think it's super adorable. I actually got this idea from my sister-in-law. She came over, I guess like on Mother's Day, I think, and she was wearing like workout clothes but with Converse, and I thought it was the cutest thing I'd ever seen. So, taking a note from her. I also wanted to like keep my hair down today, but I didn't want to do my eyebrows, so I just put on a hat, and that's how I kind of solve for that problem. But I'm gonna grab my purse, I'm gonna head off and go to Dollar Tree and get the items that I need, and then I need to go to Hobby Lobby and Walmart as well and get those things all wrapped up. And then this breakfast will come, and then it will be behind me. Alright, so I'm gonna set you down there just because I don't actually have like a dashboard thing, but you probably already know that. I really want some coffee. I don't think that any videos are going up on my main channel today. Not a vlog, not a main channel video, because I didn't do any editing last night. Last night, what did I do? I worked on the breakfast thing, but girl, I'm just... And then Saturday, I have to go babysit my niece, which kind of came up unexpected, and I love watching her. I did have plans for YouTube, obviously, because everything I do for my main channel is done on the weekend, but you guys, she's a priority. So, you know, my daughter's kind of self-sufficient, you know, she has her own car, but I do obviously make time for her. And you know, but my little niece, like when my brother needs me, like I'm gonna be there for him. He took care of my daughter when I had no money for daycare or anything, and he took care of her for me so I could go to like work and stuff. So I just want to be able to like repay that kindness back. So if he needs me to watch her, I'ma do it. But now I'm just rambling, but I'll stop talking. I'm headed to Dollar Tree. Okay, so they used to have megaphones, but I haven't seen them in a really long time. I don't know. I really wanted some of those, but I thought they would be cute, like on the opposite ends of the table, and then have some like pom-poms coming out, but they don't have it. What is this? This is a crown, and then look, it has the little Oh, that's so Scarborough Fair. I love it. All right, so I think I found a really good alternative to putting the orange juice in. I'm gonna get these, and that way I don't even have to go to Walmart and spend that extra money. I got 2 of them, so I'm thinking, I mean, I can just refill them as they drink through it. I really like this. I'm actually looking for a new mat for fall because I'm decorating my front porch and I really like this one. Alright, I'm also looking for something in that corner space that I have on the staircase, which I'll show you when I get back. But the mirrors are not 50% off right now, so I'm going to wait. But I think I like this one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a picture of a couple of them and then figure out if they're going to look good in that one spot or not. But so far, this one's really good. It's $99, which means at 50% off, it will be $50. Alright, I'll go ahead and show you what I got. It isn't much, just basically 2 things, but I saw this at the last minute and thought that is just the cutest thing I've ever seen. It's like the back of a pickup truck with pumpkins for 25 cents on this plaque. I really love the green pumpkins in it, so I think that's really cute. And then I just got scrapbook paper because I am going to put this around the water bottles and remove the water bottle label and put this as like the label. And then I'm gonna add the green necklace to it and kind of make it look like a referee. Except I really wanted them to be whistles. I saw that on images, on Google Images, and I thought that was so unique that someone did that, but I couldn't get green whistles in time. So she's gonna have to be the necklace and make do. But that's what I'm gonna do. But now I'm gonna basically have some coffee because I have not had anything to eat. Alright, so this, sorry you can't see me, this is what I'm basically attempting to do. I'm removing the labels and replacing it with these and adding the little beads, just kind of bringing that grass element. But again, if there was a whistle, that would have been completely adorable. So what I did was I went ahead and took a label off, and the labels have a sticky on the end, so it just stuck to the back, and that way I measured it. So I went ahead and pre-cut everything out already, and you want to make sure that your stripes are vertical, just because that's how the stripes are in their referee jersey. So I am using a little bit of tape as well, but I'm going to remove the labels and do that for all of them. It's that simple. Alright, so so I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through everything that I've done so far, because I know I've done some of this off camera, but I've just had so much going on and I'm sorry. All right, so these are the balloons from Dollar Tree. I went ahead and blew them up. It says 2019, this is their graduating year. And these are for them to just like hold and take pictures with, you know, and they'll take like their group photos and do all their stuff. And over here is the actual backdrop, so they can actually use this and hold, like they can hold the, you know, the numbers and blah, blah, blah. And the only reason why these are gold is because this is what Dollar Tree was selling, but I wish they were silver because I have a silver theme kind of going on. But this is like a referee shirt, so that is why I did the black and white stripes from the Dollar Tree tablecloths, in case that video was not on this video and you're just watching this video. But I made those out of plastic tablecloths from Dollar Tree, and I just basically cut where there was a seam from where they had folded it and just did chunks mimicking a referee jersey. And then I got those game day balloons at Party City. They were $2 a piece. Yeah, so they ended up being $14.50 with tax. And then all you do is you take like ribbon string and you tie it through, and that's it. And that's where they'll take the photo. I do have this, which is the little like message board, but it has their school name and who their opponent is. It just says so-and-so versus so-and-so. And they can use that as well to like hold on to it, kind of show what game. Now, this is their first official home game. The very first game was an away game. So this breakfast is just to celebrate their first official home game as seniors. This table also has like a football referee theme. All of this is from Dollar Tree. The trays are from Dollar Tree. This green tassel I had to set up, the tablecloth. Dollar Tree, this is Dollar Tree as well. Dollar Tree, as you can see, I put the spoons, knives, forks there. And then this centerpiece is also from Dollar Tree. This was actually from Hobby Lobby, but it was really cheap. It was 40% off. And then these are going to hold the dip. Now all of this is going into the washer. I'm gonna soak it in hot water and soap. Basically, I'm not gonna put it in the dishwasher, but soak these in hot water and soap. And aren't these adorable? Dollar Tree. And those are gonna hold the bagel dips, like the cream cheese. And then I'm probably gonna do bagels here, donuts, muffins, and then fruit. And then this is what I was putting together. Again, sorry that this was done off camera, but you saw that I had cut this up, got this at Hobby Lobby, wrapped it around, used a little bit of tape to secure. And then I took Dollar Tree green beads. I had to cut them pretty small, obviously, because they were not this length. And then you just re-add this little piece to it, and voila, you can make your own size. You just chop off any excess beads. And how cute is this? Again, I really wanted this to be like a green whistle. I thought that would have been cute because it's supposed to be like a referee and they blow their whistle. I'm out of breath, I'm sorry. Okay, this is basically to scoop the dip with so that they can kind of build their plate and then walk away. And then this is what I kind of wanted to do, so I got a bowl for this. I added this grass filler from Dollar Tree, and then I'm gonna put the napkins on top, kind of like a referee throwing a penalty flag kind of thing. And then their plates and cups will be over here, and then right here are gonna be those 2 milk jars that I got from Dollar Tree. I don't know if that was in this video or not, but those are gonna hold the orange juice. And then that says seniors, which I got those at Hobby Lobby when they were 50% off. I actually got it for their senior photos, and then I was like, why not like reuse this? And what I'll end up doing is I'll end up passing this on to the next seniors, and then they can just like keep passing it on kind of thing, even though I spent my own money on it, but I don't care. Like, what am I gonna use that for again? But I think I started this vlog off saying that it was going to be a short vlog, and I honestly don't know where it's at right now. But I am going to go ahead and end this vlog. If it is short, I'm really sorry. If it's long, well, there you have it. If it wasn't interesting, oh well. I mean, this is my life, and I'm just vlogging what I do. And I hope that you guys got some company out of it. But I do have to make dinner. Tonight is gonna be chicken parm. I'm not filming that, but I'm a little exhausted. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little exhausted. I feel like I need a vacation. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next vlog.